Everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of chats not showing on Discord. To know how to fix or how to solve chats not showing on Discord, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you'll enter to Discord and you can click. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. And in the end, you can go to Play Store to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.